In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match bank feed transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you're bringing in transactions from your bank and want to make sure they connect to the records you've already entered in QuickBooks, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Matching transactions correctly helps keep your books clean and prevents duplicate entries, so it's a great habit to build into your regular bookkeeping routine. To get started, open the QuickBooks Online sign-in page and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu, select Accounting, and then click Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks shows the activity downloaded from your connected bank accounts. Next, click on the tile for the bank account you want to review. If you have more than one account connected, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. After that, look under the For Review tab. This is where downloaded transactions wait for your confirmation before being added to your books. Now start reviewing the list of downloaded items. QuickBooks will often help by showing green suggestions labeled Match or Records Found. These suggestions mean the system believes it found an existing transaction in your books that lines up with the downloaded bank activity. This can save you time, but it's still important to review the details carefully before accepting anything. If you need more information, click the transaction to expand it. This gives you a closer look at the details so you can confirm that the amount, date, and other information appear to be correct. If the suggested match looks right, simply click Match. That links the bank feed transaction to the existing QuickBooks record. If no match shows up automatically, don't worry. Click the transaction row to expand it, then select Find Match. QuickBooks will open a search area where you can look for the original transaction you already entered manually. From there, use the filters to narrow down the results. You can filter by date range, amount, or payee name to make the search easier and faster. Once you find the correct transaction, check the box next to it. Before finishing, make sure the difference equals 0. That's the sign that the downloaded bank transaction and the QuickBooks entry line up properly. When everything looks correct, click Match or Post to complete the process. This links the two records together and removes the item from your pending list in the For Review tab. That's it. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, matching bank feed transactions becomes a quick and reliable part of keeping your QuickBooks Online account accurate.